Hello everybody from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. This is Jason Rondon from JR Hardwood Floor Refinishing and Cleaning. At this time of the day, I'm here in Elizabeth, Colorado, in Mrs. Cami house. I'm gonna do the process of a screen and recoat and also a small repair. This is a small job which is around 250 square feet. It doesn't cover the minimum price that I charge, which is 750, but with the repair it's gonna be over that. So but it's still a small job. I came here like a month ago. I talked to them. I explained what is gonna be the whole process for this house, and after they talk to each other, they decide that I can uh, be able to do it. So I'm gonna flip it out the camera and show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. All right, like I said, we are here in Elizabeth. Beautiful weather. It's amazing how many sunny days we have here in Colorado. This is my job van right here. But anyway, guys, go to get inside of the house and show you what are we gonna be doing. It's a small area, like I said. This is the kitchen. Look at that. It's a small area around here. I already did the test with my 175, so like you can see, I'm gonna get a very good abrasion on the floor. Is all this area, preparing all the tools that I have, the professionals one, and this is the small area where we have the water damage, and we are gonna be doing the repair before do the screen and recoat to the whole area. So guys, yeah, this week is gonna be good. Tomorrow I got a new consultation there in Parker. So yeah, little by little we are busy enough to do the best that we can do and get happy customer. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, I'm here to let you guys know what is going on so far. We are covering some gaps that we have on the wood, and also look at how the repair is going. So in this case, we are gonna replace this plank, because as you can see, this one is darker than the other one. That means that just sanding this plank is not gonna fix the issues, because the water damage is so deep. So what are we gonna do is replace just this plank and put a new one, and after that, of course, we will continue sanding, and then we are gonna do the silicone. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, we are here about the wood, the new plank, like I said. So can you see how it looks so different? The old one versus the new one, and now it's almost the same than the other one that we already sand. So yeah, you barely can see the difference. Stay tuned, guys. coming back from half lunch and just take 2 hours break because I needed to let dry the sealer in the part where we repair. So I want to show you guys something. You can see, look at this part over there is not wet, it's dry already, but looks darker than here because of course that is the part that we repair and we apply the sealer. So now all this area is dry, is screening, just ready to put the polish on. But I want to show you guys because I'm gonna do cleaning attack again just in case, you know, to take all the debris from the floor. But one of the things that I always tell you guys is when I do clean attack, of course it's gonna show us how it's gonna look the floor after we apply the last coat. So I wanna show you when I pass the flat mop over the dry area. Look at the difference. Can you see that? So basically the floor after I put the finish on is gonna look the same. So look at that. Do you see? So you don't see any difference between the area that we repair versus the other area where we just do the screen. So now we continue doing the cleaning attack, and stay tuned guys, because after this process I'm gonna apply the polish. Stay tuned. All right guys, first coat down, and you see how it's looking at right now. So far, of course it's wet, but this, look, using 2 components product, which is the best one in the market, more durability for the customers, better final result. So stay tuned guys. Hello guys, this is Jason again. I'm here again in Elizabeth, Colorado. Yesterday I finished the job here very late, so I didn't have time to wait until the finish dry out completely. So I put agree with the customer that I was going to come back today in the morning just to check it out, that everything is okay, the customer is happy. So we'll see what was the final result. So I'm gonna flip it up the camera and show you guys. Okay, and we're here, beautiful day again. That is so beautiful, you can see guys. So check it out, we'll see. Let me call. How's your day going so far? Good, good. All right, we'll see the final result. What did you guys thought about it?
It looks good.
Do you guys like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's okay. Don't worry about it.
Playing in the
Yeah.
floor.
Oh my God, yeah. Totally different, huh? It's completely new floor what you guys have now.
Yeah, it looks way better.
Yeah.
I like it.
Nice. You guys heard that? The customer is happy. I'm happy with the final result, guys. So if you want to get this kind of job, a screen and recoat in your house, don't hesitate in contact me. See you guys until next time.